Imagine this. You're able to send unlimited Gmail and Yahoo friendly emails to unlimited subscribers, without writing a word, without touching complicated tools, and without ever paying a single monthly fee. What if one AI platform replaced your autoresponder, your copywriter, your SMTP, and even your lead magnet system all at once? Well, that's exactly what we've built. You've paid monthly, you've written for hours, and yet your emails still vanish into spam. This isn't email marketing, it's email gambling. If you're still stuck with tools like Auber, MailChimp, or GetResponse, your emails are either flagged, blocked, or just ignored. Why? Because they limit your sending, block imported leads, aren't 2025 Gmail Yahoo compliant, and still charge $49/month or more. Introducing MailEmpire AI, the world's first generative AI autoresponder that sends unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, uses built-in ultra-fast SMTP plus dedicated IPs, is 100% compliant with Gmail and Yahoo's strict 2025 filters. And yes, it writes every email for you. But what if AI could write your emails, schedule them, deliver your lead magnets, segment your lists, send them to inboxes that actually open? All this without you lifting a finger. While others struggle with 2 to 5% open rates, MailEmpire AI users are seeing up to 41% open rates and massive clicks. Why? Because it's powered by next-gen spam detection technology, 2025 ready, built-in ultra-fast SMTP plus dedicated IP. AI writes emails, subject lines, CTAs, built-in inbox guard AI to bypass spam triggers, Smart Send AI that delivers at the subscriber's best open time, done for you SPF, DKIM and mark setup, cold list friendly import, 250 plus proven email templates, real-time lead magnet delivery, segment your list for 10x engagement, and drag and drop email builder. This isn't just for techies, it's for affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, SaaS founders, coaches, teachers, and local business owners. Step 1, log into MailEmpire AI. Step 2, upload leads and let AI write emails. Step 3, hit send and profit 24/7. That's it, your email empire is live. But here's the catch. This is a limited time launch deal. After this launch, MailEmpire AI switches to a recurring monthly model. Wait too long and you'll be back paying $49 per month or more. You're backed by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Plus, you get premium bonuses worth $5,999 absolutely free if you grab access right now. Just imagine finally having a tool that sends inbox-friendly emails, builds your list, promotes offers, and drives income, all done for you by AI. So go ahead, click the button below. Join the future of email marketing before it's too late. MailEmpire AI, the future of email marketing has arrived. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.